Hi, my name is Kevin Neely, and I've been involved with the audio engineering industry for over 30 years. I've been involved primarily in worship services and houses of worship in several states throughout the country. One of the things I've noticed over the years is that we seem to have volunteers and even staff personnel sometimes that know how to run a soundboard, but don't necessarily know why they're doing what they do. And so I wanted to put together a course that focused on the philosophy, but also some of the functionality of running front of house sound in a worship environment. You know, there's some different goals that we have when you are running sound in a church service. The goal is not just to get a great mix. Now, you want a great mix, don't get me wrong, but that's not the only goal. One of the comments that people sometimes get is that things are too loud. When someone says it's too loud, it's almost always a mix problem, not necessarily a decibel problem. So we'll talk about mixing in a way that's full and complete without being too loud. We'll also talk about some concepts and ideas, things I call a wall of sound, which is creating amplified frequency from low to high to create a full experience. We'll talk about things like levels between vocals and the band mix. And then we'll also talk about a few apps and some things that I love that help find problem areas. We'll talk about some of the technical side of running sound in a front of house worship environment. Nowadays, you are the producer of what the audience hears. And that's a role that's to be taken seriously because you are the one deciding, in many cases, what the auditorium, what the people who are there to worship actually hear. We'll talk about the right way to approach compressors and EQ and plugins. And then we'll also talk about mixing with monitors, in-ear monitors, and then also briefly talk about if your setup has an in-ear monitor mix where each singer or vocalist or band member can create their own mix. So I hope you'll join me for this event. It's going to be a virtual live event Tuesday, May 30th at 7 p.m. Central Time. The cost of this program is $79, and we are going to record it to make it available for everyone with a paid entrance. Now, I've got a little special treat for you. If you sign up now and use the promo code WORSHIP, you can save $30, making this online live virtual event only $49 to attend. That's a great value. You're going to get a great resource out of this. Use the promo code WORSHIP to save $30 on the cost of the event. Tuesday, May 30th, 7 p.m. Central. I can't wait. We'll see you there. Register now.